let me explain what's the difference between GT3500GE and GT3500GEB. And the first, the position is different. So this one is GT3500GEB, and this one is lower. As you can see, the level of the anvil, and this plate also shorter, and the engine position also lower. Because of this one has a problem when you fasten the fishing boat of the railway. The position is too high, so we just make it low. Okay, so this engine is Euro 5 specified engine, and this one passes Euro 5 specification or IEC. And this is the old engine. What's the difference is before you can adjust the carburetor, but for this one you cannot adjust it because to pass the Euro 5 specification. And another one is the gas and oil mix ratio, also different. So for old type and two-cycle oil engine against the gasoline is 1 versus 25, but new one will be 1 versus 50. For lifetime improvement, we change two parts. One is for the damper of engine. So the old one we didn't have. So this one has a rubber in between of the plate to protect the vibration from the impact to the engine. And another one is this housing for the engine tank. So old model also have this one, but after the long vibration, this part was very easy to broken, and this one fall off many times. So we make it like this. We put the steel plate beneath of the engine tank. Spark plug parts also different. So as you can see, this one is open and it's broke, and this one is protected by the plastic cover and not easy to broke.